Hi everybody, I hope you're okay. Today we'll make an easy dessert with easy ingredient and it takes us only 2 minutes till 5 minutes to make it. It's no oven, no egg, no bake. It's so easy, so delicious and so yummy. So if it is your first time in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like, share the video with your family and friends. For the ingredient for this dessert, we will need 2 bananas. You can use any fruit you want. 1 cup of milk, 250 milliliter, and cacao powder, corn flour, and digestive biscuit. Also, you can use any biscuit you want, and sugar. So that's all what we need. And the first step, we will need to mix the first cream. So we'll put milk, 250 milliliter of milk, cold milk of course, and 2 big spoons till 3 spoons as you like of sugar. Here we've got corn flour, so I will add 3 big spoons of corn flour. As you see in the video. Then I will add, last thing is cacao powder. So you can use 2 spoons till 3 spoons. If you want it strong, you can use 3 spoons of cacao. So now I will still mixing well. Then I'll show you the next step. I will put it in slow heat and you have to keep mixing to avoid that our corn flour stick till we have this cream. As you see, it's thick like that. So now we have to cut our fruit. I'm using here banana. You can use strawberry, apple, any fruit you want as you like, with choice and what you have at home. Also, you can replace this fruit with biscuit, normal biscuit. Now when I finished cutting my fruit, I will put it in the dish. So try to make it nice looking as you see in the video like that. You can put, as I said, strawberry, apple, any fruit you have, or simple you can use a biscuit. That's it. So I'll finish my plate like that. Now next step, we have to pour the cream that I make, cacao cream. So I try to pour it on the face of the banana and all of it, to cover all the banana, as you see like that. So now I will use a spoon to cover all my bananas with this cream. The smell of it is so nice. You like just to eat the cream like that, and with the banana it will be so yummy and so delicious. So now I will use a spoon to cover all slowly like that. And then next step is to use the biscuit. So for the biscuit, you don't need to use the digestive, so you can use any biscuit you have at home, any type, any taste you want. So for me, I like to use this one. I will put it on top of the cream like that. It took me 6 pieces in all the plate. So for you, if you have bigger, you will need more, or less if you got small plate. Now we need to make another cream. So we'll have to use 250 milliliter of milk, and we'll add sugar, also 2 till 3 spoons, big spoons of sugar. So it is the same cream that we make in the beginning, but we will not add cacao. It's simple. Now I will add corn flour. It's an easy cream with milk, corn flour, sugar, and the flavor of vanilla. So first cream we put it with cacao. It will be the black, dark cacao color, and the top cream it will be white cream with vanilla flavor. It's so yummy dessert, as I told you, and so easy ingredient. I will mix it also well, then I put it in the heat till it become thick, same like I show you for the first cream. So now my cream it's become so thick like that. I'll show you now. And next step I will pour it on top of the biscuit. As you see, this cream now is not too thick like first one, because we didn't add cacao. So it's so easy to put it on top. I will pour it all over, then I will just use spoon to cover all the biscuit. Slowly we have to cover all of it. You can make these two creams in one time and just put one top of one. It will take you 2 minutes to make this dessert. It won't take you too much time. So now after I covered my dessert, sorry for the noise of my daughter, I have to use spoon slowly like that. And the last step is to use another biscuit on top of this dessert. So also for the top you can put as I did the biscuit like that, or you can put fruit, or you can design it as you like. For me the easy thing is to put the biscuit like that, and it look nice, it look yummy. I will put it now in the fridge for 2 hours, then I will show you the result. So after 2 hours I take out my dessert. Did you see how it look? It's so yummy, really it looks so nice, and it smells so nice. I will show you how it look from inside, and the fruit in the bottom, the biscuit in the middle, and there is the cacao and vanilla flavor. Really it smells so nice. You have to try it, and you write for me in the comment how it look and how it tastes in your way. I will read it, and I will be so happy if you tried it. I'll show you now how it look from inside. There is really shocking the look of it and smell of it. So 1, 2, and 3, this is our dessert. As you see, there is fruit, cacao and vanilla, then the biscuit on top. Really it's very delicious and so yummy. So don't forget, share, like and subscribe. Bye.